Alright, that one's quick to open. Oh, this is an awesome one. This is a fan favorite. Hello, what's your name? Hi, kids. Today we're looking for Series 7 and Series 9 mini monster trucks. Then we're going to do a challenge of who gets the biggest splash. And kids, remember to do like and subscribe. Let's make this RC truck get the minis. Here we go. Let's see if there's something in the bush. Nothing in the bush. Nothing in the other bush, it looks like. Here we go. There's something in the branch. They're right here. And we rolled over. But kids, I see 2 mini monster trucks in there. Let's take them out. Wow, this is awesome. It's Series 7 and Series 9 truck. I wonder what truck it is. They're not telling me. All right, let's take those 2 trucks. Kids, there could be something right in here maybe, kids. So far, there's nothing. Nothing. Oh no, we're in the grass. Here's the shady part. Whoa! We're out of control! Beep, 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 beep. Beep. Da-da-da-da. Whoa! Wow! Well, kids, there's a hole in here. Let's see if there's a mini monster truck in there. Huh? We cannot travel through the hole. Anyone there? Guess there's nothing. All right, let's keep going. This tree has a little space to hide a monster truck. Well, I see a monster truck in there already. How are we getting up there? Let's give a little lift. Right here. Whoa, that really perfect. That's a perfect fit. Oh, wait, there's 2 trucks in there. We got it. Now we have to get it without some fly bothering me. All right, we have another Series 7 and another Series 9. Let's take it. Got 2 more trucks. Now, how are we going to get down? Beep, beep, boop. Beep, boop. All right, here we go. We're back down. There could be hiding in some of the walls, so let's go here. Whoa, kids, this looks like an obstacle course. We cannot drive over that wall. All right, then again. Whoa. And we got 2 of the minis again in the wall. All right, let's get them. We have another Series 9 and another Series 7. We have to get over there to get back down. Well, it looks a lot easier. Not really a lot of narrow spaces here. I gotta straighten out the truck. Oh, we are on a wheelie. All right, here we go. All right, turn it again. Oh. Just let's turn it over here. All right, we got it. All right, here we go. Back down. Kids, we're going to run over that bird. Watch out. Here, we have to keep looking for minis. Oh, big air, kids! Monster Jam Mini. Oh, we have two of them, kids. We have a series. Oh, kids, there was bees over there. Oh, I did not get bee sting. All right, series 7. Oh, we got two series 7. We have the bees area. That was so close, kids. I was surprised because of that bee came out. Well, kids, I will try that again. Do the little jump with there. All right. Well, we're stuck in the grass. There's some air. Oh, kids, I see a mini truck. There's another mini truck in there, but how are we getting up? Shaving it is not going to work. How are we getting up there with all these branches? Beep. Right. Oh, we have to get rid of this tree bridge. Well, we got the big trucks. Oh, kids, look, we're standing like that. All right, we got two trucks in here. We have a Series 9 and another Series 9. Go it, kids. Ride a wheelie, kids. Is there a mini hiding here? Okay, so there's a bug. Let's let it cross the road. Is that? Oh, it's going under our truck. Let's just drive over him. Got 2 minis here. We have to get on the tree. Oh, we have to crush it. So close. And we rolled over. Beep, beep. All right, here we go. There we go. And we rolled over again. Series 7 and Series 7. We have to flip our truck back up. Beep, beep, beep. Here we go. Right. Nothing in the grass. Run, quick! Stop. Well, kids, I see a little mini up here. Let's get the crane. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, there's 2 minis in the garden. Let's take them too. All right. So we have Series 7 and Series 7. Another 2 Series 7. Beep. Here we go. All right, here we go. Boop. Little air. Oh, there gotta be something here. Oh wait, kids, I see something. Let's get in there. We have 2 more mini trucks. Let's take it. All right, we have Series 7 and another Series 7. We got them all, kids. Let's go open them. Let's go in the backyard. That's where the end of the trip is. We're at a little pond over here. Kids, we're not supposed to drive in the water. All right, here we go. Back at home. Let's do some victory donuts. Alright, again. How you doing, doggy? Hi, doggy. Alright, here we go. Let's open them, kids. Let's open the minis. Kids, we're going to open the monster truck. So, kids, here's the challenge. Who gets to make a splash? And we put food coloring in the water to make it green. We put 2 drops of green food coloring. All right, kids, let's open them. And here's the judge. He's going to tell who's the winner at the end of the video. All right, that was an easy one. Oh, kids. There's a zombie attack. We have zombie. This is my second zombie, kids. Zombie has a white body, red chassis, black tires and rims. All right, kids, we have zombie right there. All right, let's open our next truck, Series 7. Ooh, this one is going to be an awesome truck. We have Gold Monster MUTT Dalmatian. We have another gold, kids. So that's a gold body, well, black and gold. Well, there's a lot of black, which looks so awesome. And the gold chassis, gold, everything is gold. And the chassis is like gold and black. Let's open our next mini. We have a Series 9 mini that we are opening here. Whoa, that was easy. Oh, kids, we have another Max D. This could be 3rd or 4th Max D, 3rd or 2nd, something. All right, so Max D has orange chassis, gray body, black tires, and black rims. All right, let's put it right to here. Now we have a Series 9 mini. Let's open it. It's blue. It has a blue chassis. We have SiN-UVA. So SiN-UVA has a black body, blue chassis, black tires and rims. All right. So I don't know if he's gonna fit with Max D. Maybe Max D should sit like that. Oh, they're still not gonna fit. Wait, there it is. Perfect. We have a Series 7 mini, kids. Right here. There we go. Oh, it's pink. This is my first CALAVERA mini. That's awesome. So it has a pink body, black chassis, and pink rims and tires. She goes over there. Whoa, that's a big space. Could fit 2 more trucks, I guess. All right, let's open up a Series 9 mini over here. What? Whoa, we have another zombie, kids. What? It has a blue chassis, a white body, a red tires and rims. We have another zombie here, kids. I like this zombie better, kids. Which zombie do you like? I like this zombie. won't put the zombies next to each other. All right, let's put two twin zombies. They have the same face. Let's open our next mini. We have a Series 7 mini. There we go. What? Kids, we have another son of a digger. Wow, wow, wow. We have two zombies, two son of a diggers. That is awesome. All right, so he has a black body, purple, violet chassis, blue tires and rims. I want him to be right next to there. Well, I don't think Calavera's gonna fit there. She gotta sit in the other row then. All right, let's open our next mini. We have a Series 7 mini. All right, that one's quick to open. Oh, this is an awesome one. This is a fan favorite. We have Grave Digger Fire. We have a Grave Digger Fire, kids. And kids, we have a Grave Digger Ice. Now we have a Grave Digger Fire. We have a Grave Digger Ice and Fire. Wow, this is awesome truck. So far, this is my most favorite. All right, he's going to sit with Calavera. Series 9 mini. Oh, that was easy. Oh, this is awesome too. A Pirate's Curse. This is my third Pirate's Curse I ever had. So it's a normal Pirate's Curse body, a gray chassis, black tires and rims. It goes next to the gray tire. Oh, it's not gonna fit. Let's take him to the other side. Oh, that one can fit right there. Let's open another Monster Jam mini. We have a Series 7 mini. Oh, kids, this is another favorite. This is my 5th Mohawk Warrior, kids, my 5th Mohawk Warrior. So he has a normal Mohawk Warrior body, a gray chassis, black tires and rims. This Mohawk Warrior looks like the real Mohawk Warrior. All right. Series 7, kids. I wonder what it is. Beep. Beep. We have a yellow Max D. A yellow body, black chassis, yellow tires and rims. This is an awesome Max D. We have another Series 7 mini. Let's open it. Ooh, we have EARTHSHAKER. Oh, kids, this is a big bug. Oh, he flew away. All right, so we have a yellow body, brown chassis, yellow tires and rims. Alright, next up we have another Mini. It's Series 7. Alright, let's see what we have in here. We have a black TORO LOCO. Awesome. So it has a black body, gray chassis, black tires and rims. Do we have an TORO LOCO there? No. Alright, no TORO LOCO. Alright, we have another Mini, which is Series 9. Wow, that was an easy unbox. We have a Monster MUTT. So, brown body, red chassis, black tires and rims. Oh, wait. We have a Monster MUTT Dalmatian. I don't know. If we had a Monster MUTT, we could put him next to each other. Another Series 7, and that's the last truck over there. That's a Series 7. Oh, that was easy. Wow, I wonder what this is going to be. Soldier Fortune. Kids, this is see-through. This is see-through. We have a see-through Soldier Fortune. So it has a black body, and then black chassis, and black tires and ribs. And all the black is see-through. No Soldier Fortune here so far. He's all lonely. Kids, we have another Mini, which is Series 7. The last Mini. Let's see if this is going to be an awesome Mini or not. Oh, yeah, Blue Thunder. It's awesome. Is it chrome? Kids, we have a Blue Thunder chrome. That is awesome. So it has a chrome body, blue chrome, white chassis, blue tires and rims. Do we have Blue Thunder? No, we don't. But kids, it did not really fit a whole circle here, kids. I'm happy that we have doubles. Look. 2 zombies. So here's what we have. 2 zombies, 2 monster mutts, 2 max thieves, 1 calavera, 1 grave digger, 1 pirate's curse, 2 SiN-UVA diggers, 1 EARTHSHAKER, 1 TORO LOCO, 1 MOHAWK warrior, 1 soldier fortune, 1 blue thunder. We only have a couple doubles. Alright, kids. Now our challenge is started! We're going to see who has the biggest splash in this green food color water. Get started! Alright, kids. Let's get our first trick here. We have zombie. Let's see if he can get a big splash. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Hey. Whoa, he landed right over there. Wow. Got a little splash. I think it went this high. He looks beautiful in the water. Alright. But he's still the same color. He's not green. Luckily he was not dyed like he didn't change green. Alright, let's get our next Mini to to jump in the water and swim with him. We have another zombie. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, that looks like a much bigger splash. All right. They're talking now. Hello. Do you want to have a tea party? Yes, I do, but we have to get out of this green food coloring with her. All right, here we go. Yeah, whoa! Yeah, we're gonna get out. Uh-oh. Bye, zombie. We have gold monster mutt Dalmatian. 3, 2, 1, go! Well, that was a much bigger splash. Hello, Wall. What are you doing today? Hey, zombies. How did you end up here? It was the same thing that happened to you. You just ran here for the challenge. That's the same thing that happened to us. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, green, kids. See that? Oh, green. Donuts. Monster Mutt. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, not really as big as the Dalmatians. But look, he's talking to this zombie. Hello, what's your name? My name is Monster Mutt. Can you lift me out of this water? But I don't want you to step on my head. Hey, stop stepping on my head. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Uh-oh, whoa. I guess I cannot make it. Next up, we have another Max D. We have a Max D on it. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, not really as big as the Dalmatians, I guess, or maybe it was bigger. I don't know. They didn't really get a lot of big splashes. All right. Octopus, octopus, tickle, tickle, tickle. All right, let's get our next mini, kids. Oh, wait, kids, it's raining. Look. Beep. More raindrops. Oh, wait, there's a bug. All right, let's get our next Max D. It's a yellow Max D. 3, 2, 1, and go. Well, that looks like it was bigger than Monster Mutts, I think. Good job. Sickle, sickle, sickle. What's everybody ended up down here? I don't have a rocket booster. What I do? Let's get Calavera, kids. 1, 3, 2, 1, yeah. Oh, hey, what are you doing on top of us? Yeah, what are you doing, Calavera? What did you do here? Kids, I don't think Calavera had a bigger splash than the yellow Max. I'm going to float here. Well, I cannot swim. Oh, no, I guess we cannot swim out of here. Let me push you out. Wait. Ouch. That hurts. All right, guess we cannot do it. Thickle, thickle, thickle. Great Digger fire! 3, 2, 1, go. Well, that looks like it was a much bigger splash, I guess. But look, he's on top of everybody. Everybody gotta get out of the way. They have to go over here. All right. So we have right there. Hello there, Monster Mutt. Oh, nice to relax, just breathing out of the water. Hello. That's all up. Another one on top, thank you. Oh wait, another one. Beep. Ouch! We need another mini. Pirate Stars. We're gonna look for treasure in the sea, in the great sea. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, I don't really know. I think that's the same splash as Great Diggers. Oh, look, it's green. And then not green. And then green. And then not green. And then green. And then not green, kids. That's awesome. And I'm playing in this green, dirty water. Is there any treasure here? Let's sail on the boat. Hey, get out of my head. Alright, we have a SiN-UVA digger. 3, 2, 1, go! Does everyone know I'm the popular truck in the world? I don't think you... Nobody thinks you're popular, SiN-UVA digger. Everybody thinks the grave digger is popular. Thickle. Hey, stop on my back, SiN-UVA digger. Well, kids, look, SiN-UVA digger's standing sideways, bro! Wow, let's do that too. Duh. Oh wait, how can I do that? Huh? Did not work. How is he doing that, kids? Bro! How is he doing that? Somehow grave digger cannot do it. Hey, kids, let's get our next mini. We have another SiN-UVA digger. 3, 2. Go. Well, not really a big splash. Alright, here he goes at the little corner. Alright, next up we have EARTHSHAKER. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, I think that was a bigger splash than grave digger, I guess. Alright, bigger splash than grave digger. Alright, let's get our next truck. We have TORO LOCO. 3, 2, 1, go! Well, not really that big splash. Well, now he has to get here. Then he goes there. 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 MOHAWK warrior! 3, 2, 1, go! What's everyone doing here? This must be a little tote, like we're on a boat, but why is it filled with green poison water? Huh? We have Soldier Fortune, which is see-through. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, that looks like it was a bigger splash than EARTHSHAKER. Guess it was a bigger splash. Soldier Fortune's in the lead. Our last but least truck. 3, 2, 1. We got Blue Thunder. Boom. Well, I guess that was a bigger splash, kids. Wait, kids, we have one more truck. The winner is... Uh-oh. Whoa. Let me try. Whoa. Maybe not. What? Got a bigger splash than all the minis, kids. Wow. Hey, get out of my way. What's everyone doing here? I'm going to get out of here. You cannot swim to the top. Yes, I can. Look, I'm bigger than you. Yeah. All right, kids. We don't know who's the winner. It could be Thunderosaurus or Blue Thunder. Thunderosaurus is not a mini. I don't know if they're going to have any options about Thunderosaurus. So can you decide before we say bye? All right, kids. I'll let you decide who is the winner. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you know who's the winner. Bye. Thank you for watching. Give me likes and subscribes. Can you give me 1,000 more, please? And if you want to get 1,000 more, you have to do a splash. 3, 2, 1. Big splash. Like that, kids.